आज हम लोग नॉर्मलाइज्ड और ऑर्थोगोनल वेव फंक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे। हम जानते हैं कि साई साई स्टार डी टो दिस रिप्रेजेंट द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फाइंडिंग द पार्टिकल इन ए वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट डी टो। अब अपन फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स में अपन ऐसी स्थिति भी आती है जब पार्टिकल जो है एक बाउंड फोर्सेस के बीच में, लिमिटेड रीजन के बीच में काम करता है। जैसे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे इलेक्ट्रॉन इन एन एटम, पार्टिकल इन अ बॉक्स। तो इस तरह के केसेस में टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी of finding the particle in the entire space is of course unity. That is, we can say that psi RT square d tau integral this is equal to 1, where the integration extends all over the space. This equation may also be written as integral psi RT psi star RT d tau this is equal to 1. A wave function which satisfies the above equation is called normalized wave function. For normalized wave function, psi I star integral d tau is equal to 1. Suppose we have two wave function and psi I and psi j. So for normalized wave function psi I psi star d tau this is equal to 1 and integral psi j star d tau this is equal to 1. And in the case of orthogonal, if the two wave function psi I and psi j are such that psi I psi j star or psi j star psi I d tau integral vanishes over entire space. That means psi I star psi j star psi I star psi j d tau is equal to 0 and psi j star psi I d tau this is equal to 0. Then the wave function are said to be mutually orthogonal. Or in short, we can say that psi I star psi j d tau this is equal to 0 if I is not equal to j and it is equal to 1 if I is equal to j. So if I is equal to j, then the wave functions are normalized and else it is orthogonal. So these are normalized and orthogonal wave function. Now we will derive the solution of Schrodinger equation. Solution of Schrodinger equation. We know that time dependent Schrodinger equation is given by minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 plus v psi this equal to ih cross del psi upon del t. This equation is a partial differential equation in 4 variables, the 3 position coordinates of the particle x, y, z and the time t. In the cases where the potential energy V is independent of time and depends only on position, Schrodinger suggested solution of the wave equation which represent standing waves. Now if psi represent standing waves, time must occur as a separate factor, that is V is independent of time. The position and time coordinates are separate in this equation. So psi may be expressed in the form psi is equal to phi, which is a function of x, y, z, u, which is a function of t. T means time. So phi x, y, z is independent of time and ut is independent of position. Position means x, y and z. Now substituting this value of psi in this equation, we can say minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 plus v plus phi x y z ut into phi x y z ut is equal to minus h cross del upon del t phi x y z ut. Now if we divide this whole equation by phi xyz ut, our this equation becomes 1 upon phi xyz minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 plus v xyz into phi xyz. This is equal to iota h cross ut del upon del t ut. Now in this equation the left hand side is independent of time while the right hand side is independent of the coordinates x, y, z. So if above equation is to be satisfied, each side of 3 must be of this equation must be equal to constant. Suppose we take this constant as E. That means this is also equal to E and this is also equal to E. So our equation becomes 1 upon phi xyz minus h cross square upon 2m del 2 plus v xyz phi xyz this equal to E, or on solving this equation our equation becomes del 2 psi plus 2m h cross square upon 2m E minus v phi is equal to 0. And also this is also equal to E, so I can say that iota h cross ut del upon del t ut this equal to E, or ut, so solving this equation we can say that solution of ut will be equal to e raised to power minus iota et upon h cross. So psi solution psi is equal to phi xyz into e raised to power minus iota et upon h cross. So this is the solution of the Schrodinger wave equation. And we can also say that the constant E designates the energy of the particle which is described by this solution of Schrodinger equation. Thank you.